Today, we're doing the element iceberg. I saw this picture on Reddit, so now I'm gonna do it. Let's get right into it. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen.
Carbon is a chemical element essential to life on Earth and fundamental to organic chemistry. With the symbol C and atomic number 6, it is a non-metallic, tetravalent element, meaning its atoms can form up to 4 covalent bonds. This unique bonding ability allows carbon to form a vast number of diverse and complex compounds.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is a chemical element with the symbol N and atomic number 7. Is a colorless and odorless gas at standard temperature and pressure, diatomic nitrogen, and makes up approximately 78% of Earth's atmosphere, making it the most abundant element in the air.
Oxygen.
Oxygen is a highly reactive chemical element with the symbol O and atomic number 8. A vital component of life on Earth, it is the most abundant element in the planet's crust and the second most abundant in its atmosphere.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen, symbol H and atomic number 1, is the simplest and most abundant chemical element in the universe, making up about 75% of all normal matter. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and highly combustible diatomic gas left parenthesis right parenthesis point.
Metal/non-metal distinction.
The distinction between metals and nonmetals is based on their characteristic physical and chemical properties.
Alkaline metals.
Examples of alkali metals. The alkali metals include lithium, Li, sodium, Na, potassium, K, rubidium, R, A, cesium, Cs, francium, Fr.
For real. There's a song by Kids Learning Tube that has the same thing.
We are the alkali metals of the periodic table. Come learn about us whenever you feel you're able. Hello, I am a lithium atom. Here's my elements where the alkali metals group's where it came from. My nuclei atomic mass is 6.94 because I have 3 protons and my neutron count's about 4. My protons and electrons attract one another. That's why I have 3 electrons that orbit my nuclei center. The symbol on my element square is Li. I'm the third element and lightest metal you will come by. I'm a sodium atom, this is my element square. I'm from the alkali metals group, in case you do care. My atomic number's 11, that's my number of protons. Add that to my 12 neutrons to get my atomic mass on. My electron count's 11 as they do orbit me. My symbol is Na on my square, as you can plainly see. My elements found in table salt by 40%. So when you sprinkle salt on your food, you're eating elements. I'm a potassium atom, it's real nice to meet you. My atomic number's 19, that's my electron count too. If you add my protons to my 20 neutrons, you'll see my atomic mass at the bottom of my square root will be. My symbol is K. In this song you did learn. It came from the Latin word calcium. In the ocean I churn. We are the alkali metals of the periodic table. Come learn about us whenever you feel you're able. Rubidium atom here, my symbol is Rb. My atomic number's 37, that's the proton count in me. Add that to my 48 neutrons to get my atomic mass. I have 37 electrons that orbit me real fast. I react violently in water and burn if I touch air. You can learn more about me past my periodic square. I'm a cesium atom, my symbol is Cs. My my proton count, yes. When my 78 neutrons are added to that, it equals my atomic mass in my nucleus, yeah. My electron count is also 55. I'm primarily found in the mineral pollucite, not the francium atom from the alkali group. I have 87 protons, and that is the truth. My number of neutrons is 136. My atomic mass is so two numbers added up in the mix. I have 87 electrons that like to spin and dance, and my name was given to me after the country of France. We are the alkali metals of the periodic table. Come learn about us whenever you feel you're able. We are the alkali metals of the periodic table. Come learn about us whenever you feel you're able.
Noble gases.
The noble gases, also known as inert gases or aerogens, are the elements found in group 18 of the periodic table, including helium, D, neon, Net, argon, R, krypton, K, R, xenon, Zir, and radon, R, N. Alganation, Ag, is also theorized to be a noble gas, but its properties are still being investigated due to its instability and short half-life.
KOT did this song too. Oh shit, that's a wrong song. Okay, Okay, I'm acting like a teacher. Yeah.
Get your favorite kids learning to
I don't care.
today. We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements and a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties. My name is helium, atomic numbers 2, my atomic mass is 4, my symbol's Ag, now here's some more. I'm a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and a non-toxic gas. I'm at the top of my group and the second lightest element at last. Helium's used to inflate scientific and party balloons. I'm also used as a cooling medium for a large hadron collider, it's true. Hi, I am neon, my atomic number's 10, my atomic mass is 20, my symbol's ND. Let's learn about me then. Neon gas is used to promote things in advertising signs, and I'm the 4th most abundant element in the universe. Am I am argon, my atomic number's 18, my atomic mass is 39, AR is my symbol C. Argon's often used when an inert atmosphere is needed. You can find me in period 3 in group 18, that's where I'm seated. We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements and a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties. I am krypton, my atomic number's 36, my atomic mass is 83, my symbol's K are in the mix. Krypton's used in some types of photographic flashes, used in high-speed photography. I'm pretty bright, so you may want to wear sunglasses. Xenon is my name, my atomic number's 54, my atomic mass is 131, my symbol's Xe. Here's some more. I produce a brilliant white flash of light when I'm excited electrically. I'm also widely used in strobe lights for many reasons, you see. Hi, I'm radon, my atomic number's 86, my atomic mass is 222, my symbol's R, and these are my tricks. I'm chemically inert, but I am radioactive. My emitted radiation's used in cancer therapy, it is. I'm organized on my atomic number's 118, my atomic mass is 294, oh Jesus, symbol on your screen. Synthesized in 2002 by a team of scientists. I have the highest atomic number and mass of all known elements. We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements and a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties.
copper, iron, gold, silver, and most metals.
Metals are a class of elements characterized by several key physical and chemical properties.
Sulfur and phosphorus.
Elemental nature, both sulfur, S, and phosphorus, B, are essential non-metallic chemical elements found in the periodic table. Sulfur is known for its distinctive yellow color and rotten egg smell in its elemental form, while white phosphorus is highly reactive and glows in the dark. Biological significance, they are crucial macronutrients for all living organisms, playing vital roles in biological molecules like proteins, cysteine, methionine, sulfur, nucleic acids, DNA, RNA and phosphorus, lipids, and energy metabolism, ADP and phosphorus. Sulfur, primarily used in the production of sulfuric acid, a key chemical reagent, and also in vulcanization of rubber, gunpowder, matches, and various agricultural and industrial products. Phosphorus, essential for phosphate fertilizers and phosphoric acid production, also used in fireworks, smoke screens, matchsticks, phosphorus sesquisulfide for strike anywhere matches, and in some drug formulations. Compounds and reactivity, they can form various compounds with other elements and with each other, such as phosphorus sulfides, PS, etc. They also undergo combustion reactions with oxygen to form oxides like sulfur dioxide, SO, and phosphorus pentoxide, PO.
Actinide group.
The actinide group, also known as the actinide series or actinoids, is a series of 15 metallic chemical elements found in the periodic table, typically shown as the second row below the main body.
There's actually a Kids Learning to Music's song about that too. It's pretty long, so bear with me.
We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 and period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all of the above. I'm actinium, my symbol is AC. My atomic number's 89, and actinide is what I be. 227 is my atomic mass, and I am radioactive like other elements in my class. My name is thorium, my symbol is TH. My atomic number's 92, 32 is my atomic weight. I am radioactive, but I am also used to coat tungsten filaments used in electronics too. I'm protactinium, my symbol is BA. My atomic number's 91, 231's my atomic weight. I'm so radioactive like my two pals you just met. I'm poisonous and expensive and very rare to get. Hello, I'm uranium, my symbol is U. My atomic weight's 238, my atomic number's 92. I am radioactive and I'm commonly used in nuclear power to create electricity, it's true. I'm Neptunium, my symbol's NP237's my atomic weight, my atomic number's 93. I'm radioactive and when bombarded with neutrons, I'm used to produce the element plutonium. I'm plutonium, my symbol is Pu, my atomic number's 94, my atomic weight's 244, that's true. I'm using space probes that travel too far from the sun to use the solar power needed to get the job done. I'm americium, my symbol is AM, my atomic number's 95, 243's my atomic weight, my friend. I was named for the Americas and have little use. I'm used as a portable gamma ray and in a smoke detector too. We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 and period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all my symbol is C, and my atomic number's 96 to 47's my atomic weights blend. Only small amounts of me have ever been produced. I am primarily research for scientific use. I am berkelium, my symbol is BK. My atomic number's 97 to 47's my atomic weight. I am artificially produced in small amounts. I am radioactive too, so take that into account. I'm California, my atomic number's 98. CF is my symbol, 251's my atomic weight. I was named for California in the College of UC. Few compounds of me have been produced and studied. I'm Einsteinium, my atomic number's 99. My atomic weight's 252. ES is my symbol, so fine. I was named after the scientist Albert Einstein, discovered in 1952. Then my name was assigned. I'm Fermium, my symbol is FM. My atomic number's 100. Atomic weight's 257. I was discovered by Albert Guy, or so, by studying debris from the first hydrogen bomb, you know. I'm Mendelevium, my symbol is empty. My atomic number's 101, 258's my atomic weight C. I was named after a Russian scientist named Dmitri Mendeleev. I hope you got all this. I'm Nobelium, my atomic number's 102. My atomic weight's 259, and O is my symbol too. I was named after the scientist Alfred Nobel, most famous for inventing dynamite. Now isn't that swell? My name's Lawrencium, my symbol is LR. My atomic number's 103, 262's my atomic weight by far. I was named after the scientist Ernest Lawrence, winning the Nobel Prize for the cyclotron. That's pretty intense. We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 and period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all of the above. Thanks for watching.
Halogens.
The halogens are a group of 6 non-metallic elements that make up group 17, or Vidia, of the periodic table, known for their high reactivity and ability to form salts. The term halogen means salt former.
That's actually crazy. I got salt. There's actually a song on KOT that does halogens.
Kids learn it too. We're the halogens of the periodic table. 6 elements in group 17. Come sing if you are able. We're the halogens, non-metallic elements. Halogen means salt former. Time to learn, ladies and gents. Our names are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and tennessine. My name is fluorine. My atomic number is 9. Atomic mass is 19. My symbol's F, and that's just fine. I am the lightest of all of the halogens. My primary mineral is fluorite. That's how I got my name within. I'm fluorine. My atomic number is 17. My atomic mass is 35. CL's my symbol, you can see. I'm the second lightest of halogens in this class. And when I'm at room temperature, I'm a yellow-green gas. We're the halogens.
Mama, can you give me some juice?
Of the periodic table, 6 elements in group 17. Come sing if you are able. We're the halogens, non-metallic elements. Halogen means salt former. Time to learn, ladies and gents. I'm bromine, my atomic number's 35. My atomic mass is 79. BR's my symbol. Into knowledge we dive. I'm very reactive. This doesn't occur free in nature. Commercially, I'm extracted easily from brine pools, I'm sure. I am iodine. My atomic number's 53. My atomic mass is 1. 26 my symbols, I as you can see. Iodine occurs in many oxidation states, and most abundant of the stable halogens to date. We're the halogens of the periodic table. 6 elements in groups 17, come sing if you are able. We're the halogens, non-metallic elements. Halogen means some former time to learn, ladies and gents. Astatine is my name, my atomic number's 85. My atomic mass is 210 AT's descendant given to I. I'm the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth's crust. My properties are known with any certainty, isn't that a plus? I'm Tennessee, my atomic number's 117. My atomic mass is 294, symbols PS as you can see. Discovered in 2017, I have no home yet, but I'm expected to be in the halogens group. For that I'm set. We're the halogens of the periodic table. 6 elements in group 17, come sing if you are able. We're the halogens, non-metallic elements. Halogen means salt, former time to learn, ladies and gents. We're the halogens of the periodic table. 6 elements in group 17, come sing if you are able. We're the halogens, non-metallic elements. Halogen means salt, former time to learn, ladies and gents. Watch Kids Learning.
I'll see you tomorrow for the next column, or you know what I mean. We're back with part 2 of the iceberg element iceberg. Damn. Electron shells.
Electron shells are regions around an atom's nucleus where electrons are found, each with a specific energy level.
SPFD blocks.
The periodic table is organized into 4 main blocks, S, P, D, and F. This organization is based on the type of atomic orbital where the last electron is added. The names of the blocks correspond to historical spectroscopic terms: sharp, principal, diffuse, and fundamental. This classification system helps in predicting the chemical behavior and properties of elements.
Plutonium.
Plutonium, symbol Pu, atomic number 94, is a highly significant and complex radioactive actinide metal, best known for its role in nuclear energy and weaponry.
Isotopes.
Isotopes are atoms of the same chemical element that have the same number of protons but differ in the number of neutrons in their atomic nucleus. This difference in neutron count results in varying atomic masses for isotopes of the same element.
Periodicity.
Periodicity in chemistry refers to the repeating patterns and trends observed in the properties of chemical elements, as they are arranged by increasing atomic number in the periodic table. This fundamental concept is a direct consequence of the periodic law, which states that, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, their chemical and physical properties occur at regular intervals.
Palladium, cadmium.
Palladium, AD, a rare and lustrous silvery white metal belonging to the platinum group metals. Named after the asteroid Pallas, discovered around the same time as the element in 1803. Most notably used in catalytic converters for automobiles, jewelry, especially white gold alloys, dentistry, and electronics. Cadmium, CD, a soft, silvery white metal with a bluish tinge, similar to zinc and mercury in chemical properties, discovered in 1817. Mainly obtained as a byproduct of zinc production. Historically used in pigments, cadmium yellow, orange, red, as a corrosion-resistant plating on steel, and in nickel-cadmium batteries. known to be highly toxic, and its use has been regulated due to environmental and health concerns.
Osmium, the more obscure metals. We're not going to use that one because who cares? Lanthanides.
Lanthanides are a series of 15 metallic chemical elements found in the periodic table, specifically in the Earth block, ranging from lanthanum, atomic number 57, to lutetium, atomic number 71. They are often referred to as rare earth metals or other transition metals.
There's a song on KLT, Kids Learning Tube, about lanthanides.
We are the lanthanoids, or the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table. I'm lanthanum, my symbol is LA, my atomic number's 57 and atomic mass is 138. I'm mostly used to make carbon arc lights, don't you know, which are used for studio lighting for a motion picture show. Hello there, I am Surya, my symbol is C, my atomic number's 58, my atomic mass is 140. I am used in motion picture arc lighting as well. I'm also using flames for lighters now, isn't that swell? I'm praseodymium, my symbol is BR, my atomic number's 59, 140's my atomic mass by far. My primary use is as an alloying agent. I make high-strength metals used in aircraft engines. I'm neodymium, my symbol is ND, my atomic mass is 144, my atomic number is 60. I'm used to make goggles for glass blowers and welders, and I'm using some glass to make spectrometers. My atomic number 61, I am promethium. My atomic mass is 145 and my symbol is PM. I could be used to make a nuclear battery with a lifespan of 5 years that is satisfactory. We are the lanthanoids, or the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table. My atomic number 62, I am Samarian. My atomic mass is 150, my symbol is SM. I'm also used in motion picture arc lighting. I make flints and lighters, now isn't that exciting? My atomic number 63, I'm europium. My symbol is EU, my atomic mass is 151. The most reactive of the rare earth metals, you know. And I'm a good absorber of neutrons, as scientists show. GD is my symbol, I am gadolinium. My atomic number 64, my atomic mass is 157. I'm the greatest element known to capture thermal neutrons, and in nuclear reactors I'm used as control rods. I am terbium, my atomic mass is 158. My atomic number 65 TP's my symbol isn't that great. I was discovered in a quarry in a town called Ytterby in a country of Sweden in 1843. Dysprosium's my name, my atomic number 66. My symbol's DY162's my atomic mass mix. I absorb neutrons and my melting point is high. I'm used in nuclear reactors, control rods so they don't fry. I'm holmium, my symbol is HO. Atomic number 67, my atomic mass is 164. I'm used in magnets for my magnetic properties. My name comes from the Latin word home, as you can plainly see. My symbol is ER, I am erbium. Atomic number 68, atomic mass is 167. I'm used as a doping agent in fiber optic cables. I am using the nuclear power industry when able. My atomic number 69, I am thulium. My atomic mass is 168 and my symbol is TM. The least abundant of the naturally occurring rare earth metals. I've been used to create lasers. I have one isotope that's stable. I'm ytterbium. My atomic mass is 173. My symbol's YP, my atomic number 70. I have one isotope that may be used as a radiation source in a portable X-ray if approved. My symbol is Lu. I am lutetium. Atomic mass is 174. My atomic number 71. Lutetium's one of the most difficult elements to prepare, and I have little commercial use because I am so rare. We are the lanthanoids for the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table.
Alright, and we're done with layer 2 on the elements iceberg. See you tomorrow for more. Today we have layer 3 of the iceberg, element iceberg. Transuranic elements.
Transuranic elements are chemical elements with an atomic number greater than 92, which is the atomic number of uranium.
Hafnium, ruthenium, the most obscure elements.
Or 300 or 500 or 600.
Hafnium, HF, and ruthenium are considered obscure elements due to a combination of their rarity, historical challenges in discovery and separation, and specialized applications that keep them out of everyday public awareness, despite their importance in advanced technologies.
Artificial elements.
Artificial elements, also known as synthetic elements, are chemical elements that are not found naturally on Earth but have been created in laboratories through nuclear reactions.
Seaborinium and orgasinium, named prehumorously.
Seaborgium, SG, named after Glenn T. Seaborg, a Nobel Prize-winning American nuclear chemist instrumental in the discovery of many transuranium elements. Significance: Seaborgium element 106 was the first element ever named after a living person, when it was officially recognized by IUPAC in 1997, after an initial dispute regarding the convention of naming elements after deceased individuals. Oganesson, named after Yuri Oganesson, a prominent Russian nuclear physicist known for his pioneering work in the research of supernovae elements. Significance: Oganesson element 118, named in 2016, is the second element named after a living scientist, following the precedent set by Seaborgium. Oganesson is currently the only living person with an element named after them.
Helium, first found in space.
Helium was indeed first discovered in space, before its presence was confirmed in Earth. This seemingly unusual discovery occurred in 1868 during a total solar eclipse. While observing the sun's spectrum in India, French astronomer Pierre-Jules César Janssen detected a bright yellow line that did not correspond to any known elements on Earth. Independently, English astronomer Joseph Norman Lockyer also observed the same spectral line and, realizing it was a new element, named it helium after Helios, the Greek word for the Sunday. It wasn't until 1895 that Scottish chemist Sir William Ramsay, along with Peter Cleve and Niels Abraham Langlet, conclusively isolated and identified helium on Earth through experiments involving radioactive minerals.
Heaviest gas.
The heaviest known gas under standard conditions is tungsten hexafluoride, WF6.
Noble gas compounds.
Noble gas compounds are chemical compounds that include an element from group 18 of the periodic table, known as the noble gases. Historically, these elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, were considered inert gases due to their perceived lack of reactivity, attributed to their stable, filled valence electron shells, octet rule, or duet for helium.
We're gonna do the Noble Gases song again by KLT. I don't give a fuck. Sue me.
Get your favorite Kids Learning Too to subscribe. Kids Learning Too! We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements. And a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties. My name is helium, atomic numbers 2. My atomic mass is 4. My symbol's Ag, now here's some more. I'm a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and a non-toxic gas. I'm at the top of my group and the second lightest element at last. Helium's used to inflate scientific and party balloons. I'm also used as a cooling medium for a large hadron collider, it's true. Hi, I am neon, my atomic number's 10. My atomic mass is 20, my symbol's NE. Let's learn about me then. Neon gas is used to promote things in advertising signs, and I'm the 4th most abundant element in the universe. Am I? I am argon. My atomic number's 18. My atomic mass is 39. AR is my symbol C. Argon's often used when an inert atmosphere is needed. You can find me in period 3 in group 18. That's where I'm seated. We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements. And a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties. I am krypton, my atomic number's 36. My atomic mass is 83. My symbol's K are in the mix. Krypton's used in some types of photographic flashes, used in high-speed photography. I'm pretty bright, so you may want to wear sunglasses. Xenon is my name, my atomic number's 50. For my atomic mass is 131, my symbol's Xe. Here's some more. I produce a brilliant white flash of light when I'm excited electrically. I'm also widely used in strobe lights for many reasons, you see. Hi, I'm radon. My atomic number's 86. My atomic mass is 222. My symbols R and these are my tricks. I'm chemically inert, but I am radioactive. My emitted radiation's used in cancer therapy. It is. I'm August on. My atomic number's 118. My atomic mass is 294. Oh, Jesus, symbol on your screen. Synthesized in 2002 by a team of scientists. I have the highest atomic number and mass of all known elements. We are the noble gases in group 18 with 6 elements. And a 7th which is predicted to be. We are the noble gases in group 18. We make up a group of chemical elements with similar properties.
Noble gas namesake.
Helium, He. This noble gas is named after the Greek word Helios, meaning Sunday. It earned this name because it was first detected in the spectrum of the sun during a solar eclipse in 1868, before its presence in Earth was confirmed. In this sense, the sun is its namesake. Radon, Rn, this noble gas, is named after the radioactive element radium, Ra. Radon was first identified as a gaseous emanation from radium, hence its name directly reflects its source element.
Let's only look at helium and radon's part in the song, shall we?
properties. My name is helium, atomic numbers 2. My atomic mass is 4. My symbol's Ag. Now here's some more. I'm a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and a non-toxic gas. I'm at the top of my group and the second lightest element at last. Helium's used to inflate scientific and party balloons. I'm also used as a cooling medium for a large hadron collider. It's true. Hi, I am Nate. Hi, I'm Raiden. My atomic number's 86. My atomic mass is 222. My symbols are, and these are my tricks. I'm chemically inert, but I am radioactive. My emitted radiation's used in cancer therapy. It is. I'm August on my atomic number's 118.
Lowest numbered exclusively radioactive element, TC.
The lowest numbered exclusively radioactive element is technetium TC with an atomic number of 43.
Well, that's the end of layer 3. Today I'm back with the 4th layer of the periodic table iceberg. Elements. Hell yeah. Only 4 groups synthesizing new elements.
Joint Institute for Nuclear Research, Dubna, Russia, home to the Flare Laboratory of Nuclear Reactions. Discovered elements like fluoronium-114, nescovium-115, galvanesium-118. Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, LP, in Bell, California, USA, famous for early discoveries like Iceberg, element 106. Played a huge role in confirming several supernova elements. See Helmholtz Center for Headline Research, Darmstadt, Germany, known for synthesizing elements such as barium-107, cesium-108, and carbonesium-112. Recognition Center for Accelerator-Based Science, Japan discovered pneumonia-113, the first element named by an Asian country.
Ortho and para-hydrogen variants.
Orthohydrogen and parahydrogen are 2 nuclear spin isomers of molecular hydrogen, H, differing in the orientation of the nuclear spins of their 2 constituent protons.
Transfernium wars.
The transfermium wars refer to a prolonged scientific dispute, primarily during the Cold War era, roughly 1960s-1990s, between American and Soviet scientists over the discovery and naming rights of newly synthesized elements beyond fermium, element 100, in the periodic table, specifically elements 104 to 109.
Third row of F block.
The F block on the periodic table typically refers to the intertransition metals, which are composed of 2 series, the lanthanides and the actinides. These 2 series are usually displayed as separate rows below the main body of the periodic table for visual clarity and to maintain the table's conventional rectangular shape.
The lanthanides and the actinides are on the KOT. Yeah.
We are the lanthanoids, or the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table. I'm lanthanum, my symbol is LA, my atomic number's 57 and atomic mass is 138. I'm mostly used to make carbon arc lights, don't you know, which are used for studio lighting for a motion picture show. Hello there, I am Surya, my symbol is CE, my atomic number's 58, my atomic mass is 140. I am used in motion picture arc lighting as well. I'm also using flicks for lighters now, isn't that swell? I'm praseodymium, my symbol is PR, my atomic number's 59, 140's my atomic mass by far. My primary use is as an alloying agent. I make high strength metals used in aircraft engines. I'm neodymium, my symbol is ND, my atomic mass is 144, my atomic number is 60. I'm used to make goggles for glass blowers and welders, and I'm using some glass to make spectrometers. My atomic number 61, I am promethium. My atomic mass is 145 and my symbol is PM. I could be used to make a nuclear battery with a lifespan of 5 years that is satisfactory. We are the lanthanolids of the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table. My atomic number 62, I am samarium. My atomic mass is 150, my symbol is SM. I'm also using motion picture arc lighting. I make flints and lighters, now isn't that exciting? My atomic number 63, I'm europium. My symbol is EU, my atomic mass is 151. I'm the most reactive of the rare earth metals, you know, and I'm a good absorber of neutrons as scientists show. GD is my symbol, I am gadolinium. My atomic number 64, my atomic mass is 157. I'm the greatest element known to capture thermal neutrons, and in nuclear reactors I'm used as control rods. I am terbium, my atomic mass is 158, my atomic number 65 TB's my symbol, isn't that great? I was discovered in a quarry in a town called Ytterby, in a country of Sweden, in 1843. Dysprosium's my name, my atomic number 66, my symbol's DY162's my atomic mass mix. I absorb neutrons and my melting point is high. I'm used in nuclear reactors, control rods so they don't fry. I'm holmium, my symbol is HO, atomic number 67, my atomic mass is 164. I'm used in magnets for my magnetic properties. My name comes from the Latin word home, as you can plainly see. My symbol is ER, I am erbium, atomic number 68, atomic mass is 167. I'm used as a doping agent in fiber optic cables. I am using the nuclear power industry when able. My atomic number 69, I am thulium. My atomic mass is 168 and my symbol is TM. The least abundant of the naturally occurring rare earth metals. I've been used to create lasers. I have one isotope that's stable. I'm ytterbium. My atomic mass is 173. My symbol's YP. My atomic number 70. I have one isotope that may be used as a radiation source and a portable X-ray if approved. My symbol is LU. I am lutetium. Atomic mass is 174. My atomic number is 71. Lutetium's one of the most difficult elements to prepare, and I have little commercial use because I am so rare. We are the lanthanolids on the rare earth metals, 57 to 71 on the periodic table. We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 and period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all of the above. I'm actinium, my symbol is AC, my atomic number's 89, and actinide is what I be. 227 is my atomic mass, and I am radioactive like other elements in my class. My name is thorium, my symbol is TH, my atomic number's 9232 is my atomic weight. I am radioactive, but I am also used to code tungsten filaments used in electronics too. I'm protactinium, my symbol is BA, my atomic number's 91, 231's my atomic weight. Also radioactive like my two pals you just met. I'm poisonous and expensive and very rare to get. Hello, I'm uranium, my symbol is U. My atomic weight's 238, my atomic number's 92. I am radioactive and I'm commonly used in nuclear power to create electricity, it's true. I'm Neptunium, my symbol's NP237's my atomic weight, my atomic number's 93. I'm radioactive and when bombarded with neutrons I'm used to produce the element plutonium. I'm plutonium, my symbol is Pu, my atomic number's 94, my atomic weight's 244, that's true. I'm using space probes that travel too far from the sun to use the solar power needed to get the job done. I'm americium, my symbol is AM, my atomic number's 95, 243's my atomic weight, my friend. I was named for the Americas and have little use. I'm used as a portable gamma ray and in a smoke detector too. We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 in period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all of the above. I'm curium, my symbol is CM, my atomic number's 96, 247's my atomic weight's blend. Only small amounts of me have ever been produced. I am primarily research for scientific use. I am berkelium, my symbol is BK, my atomic number's 97, 247's my atomic weight. I am artificially produced in small amounts. I am radioactive too, so take that into account. I'm Californium, my atomic number's 98. CF is my symbol, 251's my atomic weight. I was named for California in the College of UC. Few compounds of me have been produced and studied. I'm Einsteinium, my atomic number's 99, my atomic weight's 252. ES is my symbol, so fine. I was named after the scientist Albert Einstein, discovered in 1952, then my name was assigned. I'm Fermium, my symbol is FM, my atomic number's 100, atomic weight's 257. I was discovered by Albert Guy, or so, by studying debris from the first hydrogen bomb, you know. I'm Mendelevium, my symbol is MD, my atomic number's 101, 258's my atomic weight C. I was named after a Russian scientist named Dmitri Mendeleev. I hope you got all this. I'm Nobelium, my atomic number's 102, my atomic weight's 259, and O is my symbol too. I was named after the scientist Alfred Nobel, most famous for inventing dynamite, now isn't that swell? My name's Lawrencium, my symbol is LR, my atomic number's 103, 262's my atomic weight by far. I was named after the scientist Ernest Lawrence, winning the Nobel Prize for the cyclotron, that's pretty intense. We're the actinide metals on the periodic table. When you go to group 3 in period 7, you are able to discover where we are and what we're made of. Now let's sing along and remember all of the above. Thanks for...
Alright. Yeah. Helium hydride ion.
The helium hydride ion, HH, is a positively charged ion consisting of a helium atom bonded to a hydrogen atom with one electron removed. It can also be viewed as protonated helium.
Island of stability.
bound of stability is a concept in nuclear physics referring to a predicted set of supernova elements whose isotopes may have significantly longer half-lives than other supernova elements. This region of theoretical stability stands apart from the typically short-lived nature of most artificially created supernova elements.
Proton decay.
Proton decay is a hypothetical form of particle decay in which the proton, a subatomic particle found in atomic nuclei, is theorized to decay into lighter subatomic particles, such as a neutral ion and a positron.
Unbehexium.
Unbehexium is the temporary impact systematic name for element 126, a hypothetical chemical element with an atomic number of 126.
Bismuth is actually radioactive.
Bismuth, specifically its own primordial isotope, bismuth-209, is actually radioactive, although its radioactivity is very weak.
Well, that's it for the fourth layer of the proton, table. For the, for the periodic table icebergs. We got two more layers. The last one we're not ready.